God has done such a miraculous work now. This is what he said. He said, I remember it hurt, but I can't remember what it felt like. Did you hear what I just said? He said, I remember it hurt, but I can't remember what it felt like. He said, what God has done. We must also operate within the confines of the revelation and the reality that as pure as my intentions are at times, and as genuine as I was when I made this commitment, there are some commitments that I make I can't keep. Did you hear what I just said? Yeah, it doesn't mean that an individual is indecisive or unreliable. It simply means that there was a degree and a dimension of information that I had when I made this commitment in my past that I did not have as I walked into my present. And as a consequence of this, are y'all all right? Sometimes humans make commitments they can't keep. God, on the other hand, does operate with omniscience and omnipotence. So he only says what he means. And he always means what he says. Because he possesses all power, he's got the ability to always execute and walk out in full view of them all. In full view of them all. Don't mess with me, y'all. He got in through the roof, but he walked out the door. I don't know who I'm preaching to today, but I came to tell you, they may have been looking at you crazy when you went through the roof, but they're going to be looking at you in amazement when you walk through the door, because God's going to do it in full. Come on now, you can have a different marriage and not have to have a different partner. Did you hear what I just said?
Good morning. Today is Saturday, October 7th, 2023. Today is my 3,987 days straight of exercise. Of course, y'all know I'm just on the stepper of stepping. Yes, that's so juicy. In the kitchen. Y'all like when I do that, right? Okay, let's go.
Hey, Miss Lena.
I'm surprised she can.
Hello, Miss Lena. Good.
Oh, she had me surgery, so she be running.
I'll be around here today.
Oh, God.
She said, well,
Look like it's quiet.
it is quiet today, Mother. Her.
Put her on facial.
Hello everybody, this is Miss Lena. I'm coming to visit my daughter. She's going to do my hair today and whatever else kind of beauty treatments I need. Everything I can get. It's been a long time since it's been a long time since I've had any kind of beauty treatment. So about 5 months, I think. 6 months, 7, 6,
about 6 or 7.
6, 5, okay. Well, it's been a long time anyway. I'm in need of it right now. I need everything, whatever I can get today. So thank you all for watching.
Hey y'all, I decided to do a voiceover in this section. This is Sweetz and Miss Lena, and so Miss Lena doesn't have her hearing apparatus on right now, and so I would have to speak so loud to her that y'all would think that I'm arguing with her. So I decided to block this part out and just do a voiceover. So she was saying that I had left her mask on when I was videoing her earlier, and then she was concerned that the camera was too low down, like you could see under her dress, and I was trying to explain to her that it was high enough up that you would only see from her bust area up. So yeah, that's what's going on, and I just decided to, instead of letting y'all hear us talking and misunderstanding that there wasn't disrespectful talk, it's just how you have to talk loud and repeat yourself. It could sound like arguing or something. Okay, well, Miss Lena is out of her wig, and like she got some cotton candy looking hair on the top of that head. Go on, Miss Lena. And yeah, so we're just about to get ready to do her, and well, I run out of stuff to say, y'all. Okay, here's Miss Gina at the Coke machine. She's not aware that the camera is right there, and so when I come back over there, I'm gonna tell her, look, you're in front of the TV. It's Gina. So we're about to get Miss Lena together. I'm trying to let her know to take her glasses off. Oh, I guess she did have her hearing pieces on, but still they don't pick up real well. You still have to talk so loud.
Are you sure you put a whole lot of stuff on you when you are doing your makeup, cleaning your face? It feels good. Oh, yeah. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, I'm finished now with my beautiful evening that I had with my daughter, and she's got me all fixed up with my facial and hair and everything. So now I'm getting ready to go to the highway and get back home. But I feel my face is so pretty, and it feels so soft and kind. And I appreciate her very much for getting this done for me today.